Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update on Tropical Depression AGHON, and it's now known as 01W, as the Joint Typhoon Warning Center has upgraded it into a tropical depression as well. And this is for today's Saturday, May 25th, 2024. English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation in partnership with Abitis Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you want to know about this program, just click on the link here, or if you're watching via Facebook channel, just visit the description of this video and there's a link there towards BPI Sustainable with You. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabigo Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Well, let's begin now with our update. It looks like this tricky mind of AGHON has again not following the computer models, mainly because of the extended strength. Okay, the extension of the high pressure ridge to the northeast, just like what happened during Typhoon Funk of 2008. It has extended the possible northward track of this system, and it looks like Metro Manila is in danger sites of this system, since the computer models are shifting to the Metropolis during the recurvature within the next 48 hours. I'm going to show it to you in a while, but first, here's the fast animation. The system made landfall early this morning west of Giwan, Eastern Samar, and it traversed Samar province, passing over Catbalogan, and around 11 a.m. it passed over very close to the shoreline of Masbate City and made landfall 10 a.m. over Ticao Island, and right now it's over the Sibuyan Sea, with its main core bringing heavy to intense rainfall across Romblon, but early this morning it also dumped heavy rainfall across Masbate. And Bicol region, particularly Camarines provinces, didn't experience the 100 to 200 millimeter rainfall because of this sudden shift of track to the west, and only 25 millimeters were recorded in various weather stations in Naga City, and also in Legazpi around 61 millimeters, and 50 millimeters at Virac and Sorsogon as well. Okay, so it's below the highest limit of 100 to 200 millimeters, simply because of the sudden change and the shrinking of the circulation of the system, since it moved over tight areas. Okay, and the landmass of Visayas affected the circulation. And since the system is passing over smaller sea areas, it weakened slightly. Okay, the circulation became small. Okay, here's the zoom in satellite animation from NOAA. So as you can see, once the system made landfall here, it's now moving fast across Masbate, and it's now over the Sibuyan Sea, just east of Romblon. And the track earlier shows the system to pass here, okay, but right now it's still moving west-northwest, and there's a possibility that the new track will be somewhere here. Okay, that will be the new track of the system. And folks over Metro Manila, please prepare and take all necessary precautions for a possible rainfall of more than 100 millimeters beginning 8 p.m. tonight until 8 p.m. tomorrow, span of 24 hours. There might be more than 100 millimeters of rainfall if this core of this storm or depression pass over the Metropolis. And once it moves over Laguna, this system will slow down, and after 6 hours it will move back to the Philippine Sea via Pulilio and Infanta. So we are observing this system within the next 24 hours for this new forecast model track, okay, from the latest output as of 8 a.m. So this latest one So later this afternoon or evening, shift of the tracks will be adjusted once again towards the Metropolis because of this new model output. As you can see, the main core of the system is fluctuating in its organization because of the land interaction, and since it's moving over smaller seas, okay, it only gets a few amounts of energy from this small area of water over the Sibuyan Sea. That's why it's fluctuating. And you can clearly see here, Bicol region has been spurred by the heaviest rainfall of this system, and it looks like the area of Marinduque and Southern Quezon, including Calabarzon, okay, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Metro Manila, and also Mindoro will be affected by the main circulation of this system within the next 12 hours, okay? So most likely by tomorrow the system will be here since it's moving fast, 30 kph northwest. So please take all necessary precaution. This system is only a tropical depression, and Pag-asa has downgraded it into a 45 kph wind system. But we still see in a while if it will remain as a 55 kph system. And here's the latest track, storm track number 4. This was issued around 11 a.m. This morning, and this is the track which moved the system towards this area of the Bundok Peninsula and Southern Quezon. But the latest now, it looks like we are shifting again towards this area because of the change in the forecast models. So please take all necessary precautions, folks down there in Calabarzon, including Metro Manila, parts of Central Luzon, Mindoro, Marinduque as well, Southern Quezon, because the bulk of the rainfall is moving into your area, moving away now from Romblon. And here's the steering environment. So as you can see, the ridge has weakened now, and the line, the steering flow, points towards Metro Manila. So you can see here the white lines. So it looks like it will move here. So if we take a look now at the oceanic heat content, although it is not expected to intensify because it passed over cooler oceanic heat content compared to the east of the Bicol region, because a few days ago the track is pointing it here, okay, over that warm oceanic heat content. That's why its forecast says it will intensify into a tropical storm, but it made landfall earlier, and the ridge didn't weaken as forecasted, and it's just now that it's starting to weaken. That's why the new track points to Metro Manila. So here's the latest European model 24-hour rainfall forecast beginning at 8 p.m. tonight. This is the latest as of 8 a.m. the 8 a.m. model run of the European model from meteorologics.com. And look at that. This is the area of Metro Manila. Okay. And here's the slider. The range of the rainfall. And if you look at the dark red or maroon color, it's already around 50 to 60 millimeters in 24 hours. But look at this, 90, 100, it's color violet, and white is 150 to 200 millimeters, and it looks like Metro Manila, Southern Tagalog Provinces, parts of Northern Mindoro, Marinduque, and Southern Quezon, Polillo, what else? Bulacan, southern part of Nueva Ecija, southern part of Aurora, Batangas, Cavite, Metro Manila, Bataan, will be experiencing rainfall of more than 90 to 100 plus millimeters, okay? Because there's a point here over Infanta Quezon that the rainfall is around 300 millimeters. That's the 24-hour rainfall. So let's be prepared, okay? Take all necessary precautions. Those areas that are easily affected by flooding, flash floods, and landslides over NCR and Calabarzon, please take all necessary precautions for the passage of this tropical depression. And let's hope and pray that it will weaken, because it's a depression. Same with Milenio. I don't want to scare you guys, but it's better to be prepared, since it has a rainfall capacity of more than 100 millimeters based on the computer models. Okay, and here over the Bicol region is starting to wane down. The rainfall is just on the dot, 7 to up to 45 or 50 millimeters. But here in Naga, it's only it fits the weather station of 25 millimeters that we recorded earlier, and right now it's not raining. So this is now the scenario that will happen within the next 24 hours. So please take all necessary precaution. We are still waiting for the European model from the windy.com, but it looks like it will be released around 4:30 this afternoon. It's already 3:30, and we have the latest here from predictwind.com. It's another website, and here's the back-to-back model run. I'm gonna move this first, put it here, and this is the American model, and this is the European model. If we slide this is around 2:50 p.m. Take note of the storm. Okay, we're gonna move this. This is around 11 p.m. It shows the system over Marinduque, and here, yeah, same location. Let me close this. And if we move it into the early morning hours of Sunday, here we go. This is 5 a.m. Aghon is already in the vicinity of likely Quezon, Laguna area, somewhere here in the vicinity of Laguna de Bay. And the American model is also the same. So both models agree that it will be over Laguna around 5 a.m. tomorrow, Sunday, and then around 12 noon or 8 a.m. it's still there. It moved over the western side of Laguna de Bay, while the American model is now slowly moving back towards the Philippine Sea, because the system is expected to recurve. And around noontime of Sunday, if we use the European model, it's still there over Laguna de Bay, but the American model is now moving towards Infanta. And if we move into the afternoon, this is around, let's see the time, 6 o'clock in the evening. It's now moving into Polillo Island via Infanta. So the system will stand by here for 12 hours over the Metropolis. So please take all necessary precautions for possible flash floods and landslide if the system remain almost stationary because of the possible curvature. But the rainfall is what I'm worried about this system. Okay, and here's now over Polillo Island if we base it on the American model. Let's move it towards the nighttime. Around 11 p.m. it will be over Polillo Island, the European model, while the American model is over in the middle of the Philippine Sea. And if we move it into Monday morning, okay, Monday morning, it's already accelerating as a tropical storm and a severe tropical storm. It will rapidly intensify over the Philippine Sea because of the warm oceanic heat content. And as it moves away, Metro Manila and Bicol region and Mimaropa, Western Visayas will have the first glimpse or the first effects of the southwest monsoon or habagat. So guys, that's the scenario. So please take all necessary precaution for the possible visitation of tropical depression Aghon. It's better to be informed right away, since it's still 24 hours from now or 12 hours from now, since 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow will be the effect of this rainfall. The system right now is still here over Romblon, and it's now moving towards this is Marinduque. Okay, let me put it back here. There you go. And this blob of very heavy rainfall will stall here over Metro Manila, Laguna area between 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tomorrow. So it will be quite a long time for a system to depart this area. But let's hope and pray it will still change, or let's hope the track of the system will move farther to the west. But it's better to be prepared, okay? Those areas that are easily affected by floods and landslide over Central and Southern Luzon, Southern Tagalog Provinces, Calabarzon, including Metro Manila, Mindoro, Marinduque, please take all necessary precautions, okay? And let's move now here. This is now the signal of Agasa as of 2 p.m. They already upgraded signal number 1 over Metro Manila because of the approach of this system. The track of Pag-asa is somewhere here, like that. But maybe later this afternoon or evening, Pag-asa will also adjust based on the new model towards this area. So that will be the possible track of Typhoon 2000 later tonight. Again, please take all necessary precaution. And that ends our update for today. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for the very latest on the approach of Tropical Depression AGHON. And pardon for my video. This is only a daily release since we are busy updating our website, typhoon2000.com, our social media pages, Mike Mr. Typhoon Padua, and also Twitter, Typhoon2K at Twitter, okay? And we're just a one-man team of doing all these updates for you guys. So again, let's hope and pray that this storm will weaken rapidly and move away and not affect Metro Manila and other parts of Luzon. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.